it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, I've been dealing with power outages today. There is a big storm moving in. We actually had a pre-storm power outage, so I couldn't film earlier. I'm like, what the heck is going on today? So hopefully I can get a few videos in before the power goes out again, because you know there's a storm coming and that's going to happen. So it's a little spooky outside, so I thought I'd talk a little bit about Halloween at Bath & Body Works. Today we still have the buy two, get two sale going on for candles, and the men's collection, which is a really good deal, at $5.95. I think we have a soap sale coming up soon, so I wanted to talk about the Halloween soap, which I gotta say is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to pull all 5 of these up, and there's actually vampire blood too, but I just wanted to show you on camera these gorgeous designs. I gotta say, I think these are like the prettiest soaps we've had in years. I really like the ones that had that like haunted mansion look 2 years ago, but I'm digging these too. And I also want to talk about my snake soap holder. I love this so much. It's super creepy and fun. So I'm going to start on this side. Spellbinding sweets. They all have kind of like the stained glass window look. The bottle is actually brightly colored. It's not the soap. The soap has no dye in it, which is kind of nice. So it's sulfite, paraben, and dye-free. Vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and natural essential oils. This one is Haunted Lollipop, Sweet Bubblegum, and Bewitched Berries. I like this one a lot. This is like super sugary. It kind of smells like berry bubblegum. It's wonderful. I love this. Gotta love the bubblegum. Next up, Moonlit Graveyard, which is the total opposite of the bubblegum. This is what it looks like in the gel. I gotta say, these gel bottles are so pretty. This one is Tombstone Musk, Cold Foggy Air, and Eerie Incense. I love this one. It's just the right mix of like incense and outdoorsy and moss. It smells absolutely wonderful. I love that one too. Wicked Vanilla Woods. A lot of people are wondering where Wicked Vanilla Woods is. I don't know if it's online right now. It was online. Let me see, because this was the one that was, oh, I hear thunder, you guys. Big storm coming through. I really hope I get this video in. Let me see. Let me look at Wicked Vanilla Woods. I don't think they have. Yeah, they just have the wallflower and the soap. A lot of people are wanting this body care back because a lot of people loved it. I just froze. The Enchanted Candy Potion. Tech problems. This one's super cool with the spider. It is the Magical Vanilla Glowing Amberwood and Enchanted Pink Pepper. The pink pepper note in this one is so unique. Oh yeah, that smells so good. This is like a really spicy pepper. Next up we have our classic Ghoul Friend. I love the pink. Ghoul Friend's amazing. Dark strawberries, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. This is always a total win. Oh yeah, it smells so fruity this year too with the soap. I love my Ghoul Friend. And then we have, oops, move this around, Perfect Pumpkin, which is kind of sweet cinnamon pumpkin. It's a little different. This one is carved pumpkin, spooky cinnamon, and moonlit vanilla. So I think the notes are different on the candle. I'm gonna have to check that. It smells a little bit like sweet cinnamon pumpkin, but there's like more like pumpkin in there. I think like a pumpkin puree. But this one is so cute with the black cat. And then of course we have Vampire Blood, which is one of my favorites. Look at the rose. This is absolutely gorgeous. That's a neat set. This one is the Red Berries, Night Blooming Jasmine, and Petrifying Plum. It's a fruity floral, and it smells absolutely wonderful. Oh yeah, I'm dripping soap everywhere. That's okay, though. And I think Vampire Blood looks the best in snake holder. I don't even know. These might be sold out already. This was really popular. I still can't find that snake wrap, by the way. Look at the detail on this. My bangs are all over the place today. The snake is super creepy. there's something going on. It's storming really bad, and my camera is freezing. You get 3 roses. You get the black leaves here. And then what I love about this is it's got the rose on the back, but also like when you pump it, you're not getting like soap all over the place. Remember on the bear with the crown, the soap was going everywhere. So this is actually a really neat piece. The other one, and I'm going to review this when I talk about the Skull King candle holder, but this looks more like an alien than a skull. It's supposed to be vampire blood. I accidentally, it is vampire blood. It's not supposed to be vampire blood. It is. It smells really good, but this is super cheesy. I actually, oh, no, it's all over the front. I should get soap everywhere. It's just super kind of cheesy. What is this, the price on this? $12.95, and the price on the soap holder is, I have no idea because my sticker fell off. I think it was like in the $19 range. I think it was kind of pricey. What is going on with my bangs today, you guys? I gotta trim my bangs. They're just getting like way too long. They're in my eyes. So anyway, now I'm covered in soap. My bangs are all crazy, and it's storming. What a crazy Friday night. Anyway, let me know what your favorite Halloween soap is. I will be back. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.